Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things every software engineer hates. And if you don't hate them, then you are not an engineer, software engineer, or you're weird because I don't know how you can like these things. These are ultimate software engineers nightmare. I don't say nightmare because I mean it's a routine nightmare if you encounter them routinely. Anyway, let's jump into the video. First one, spaghetti code. Now, if you don't know what spaghetti code means, it's basically those codes that if you that is buggy, and if you try to fix one part, I don't know what another part suddenly breaks. Okay, and you have you have the worst time fixing it. You don't really enjoy it. Even if something fixes, and I guess that's a best joyful experience of any engineer's life, that you fix something. But no. In case of spaghetti code, you are terrorized because you have fixed something, and something is going to break now. So the second one is not finding answers on Stack Overflow. Now, if you don't need help of Stack Overflow, then either you're a genius or you are lying. Okay, stop lying. Let's be honest. We all need Stack Overflow. And if you don't find it on Stack Overflow, and if you find answers on Stack Overflow, which are marked as the correct answers, and it doesn't actually fix anything on your system, then who likes that? Every engineer hates it. Okay, the next one, third one. I don't even know how to tell this. Okay, uh, this applies mostly to competitive programmers. So I have found a new dislike, new hatred. You found hatred for something in competitive programming. So basically, you have written a good piece of code. It works and all with the test cases provided, visible test cases that are provided. It works and all. Okay, and then when you click on that green submit button, okay, all those test cases pass, but that one test case remains, and you're breaking your head. Why the hell that doesn't work? क्या problem hai? That's horrible, man. That experience is horrible. Like, if you knew what the test case was, you would fix it, right? Anyway, fourth one, bad documentation. Now, bad documentation, as in not, not every thing has bad documentation, like the major models and components of a new framework. They don't have bad documentation, but there's certain areas, okay, where you have absolutely no idea how this thing works, okay, how to make this thing work, and the only thing you can find on internet is just one line. Now, this is the final one, fifth one, but there are so many I can think of. But I'll just stick to fifth one, okay? The fifth one is personal favorite as the worst thing to hate about software engineering, if that makes sense. Anyway, so this fifth one is inconsistent bugs. Now, I don't know how you deal with these type of bugs because first of all, it doesn't get reproduced. And secondly, when it does get reproduced, you don't know how to explain it to someone else, the QA or someone who is reviewing your code. Why doesn't it work? Unless you have to spend hours and hours debugging that bug and it bugs you so much. Inconsistent bugs are very much thread related, I think. And that's one thing, whenever I witness an inconsistent bug, I just assume that this is thread issues. But still, sometimes it's just, if you reproduce on your system, you simply can't reproduce on your system. It's horrible. Anyway, these were 5 my personal favorites of things that I don't like in software engineering. There are things I love too. And if you love things, something, then there is something that you hate about it. And this is what I hate, absolutely hate. I would love to hear from you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.